Hey loves, it's Belinda Celine and welcome back to my channel.
Tell me how you could just be my son.
Like, it is so seriously cold. Ricardo and I have not left the house for the past 3 days, and so our house is a mess. So we've been living in it. That's what happens when you live in your house. I haven't really been cleaning because I was just like working, and then I got really sick, like really sick. I had a fever. I felt miserable. I took like 3 naps. I just stayed on the couch and I hate it. You guys know I cannot just like stand still and not do anything. So I was miserable and it sucked. But I'm feeling so much better now and I can finally breathe. My lungs are feeling better because I have bronchitis. So let's clean, and I'll just bring you guys along with me since I know how much you guys love cleaning videos. It's messy. I've neglected laundry. I'm gonna make the bed. There's like clothes everywhere and I still haven't unpacked.
We are going to begin upstairs and then make our way downstairs. The first thing that I've been wanting to do is just to get this room in order because I feel like we have a lot of space on the floor that it's easy for me just to bring a lot of stuff in here and kind of dump it. So I'm like, nope, we need to get it done. And of course, we have to make our bed. I do our bed though. Even though the room is messy, I feel like making our bed just makes me feel super accomplished. It's like the first thing that I can cross off my to-do list. It also helps me and prevents me from going back to sleep. So that is really helpful because, you know, your bed looks so comfy, sometimes you just want to crawl back in there. On a regular basis, doing my bed always motivates me to continue to be productive throughout the day. So now I'm going to go ahead and unpack. This luggage has been sitting here for like over a week or so, and I don't really need anything from in there, so I just forgot about it, and I'm like, no, it needs to like be packed away because I'm gonna be going away for a weekend, and I'm like, I'm gonna need this luggage, so might as well throw it in so I can do some laundry. So I was just getting rid of like things that need to be in the washing machine, and then also some things that need to go into like this drawer that I have in the bathroom, which has all my toiletries and traveling accessories. So that's always really helpful. So I went ahead and I put those away. And then the makeup or anything else that I have, I went ahead and I put inside of my glam room. The luggage goes in the storage room that we have in our basement. So now I'm going to go ahead and put in a couple of loads of laundry. That way, as I clean out throughout the day, I can change out the different loads. And I love this little bag that I made. I actually DIY'd this myself, where I put my dirty clothes whenever I travel. That way they don't get mixed in with like clean clothes, because I know we all overpack, and so I don't want to rewash those clean clothes, you know, because they're next to dirty clothes. I also haven't unpacked my carry-on from the same trip, and it's just been taking up so much space in this hallway, and I'm pretty sure Ricardo's tired of seeing it, but he hasn't told me anything. And then I went ahead and I also made some cute other bags for other things that I travel with, like my hot tools and like my undergarments and stuff like that, which I will have that video down below if you guys want to know how to make your own like bags when you travel, because it's really handy. And also just putting away like my shoes. I like to put away my shoes that are like nicer, the ones that don't get used as often, up here in my glam room. And these are my lights. I'm just gonna get them out of the way so that I can continue to be more productive. But I just put them in these glass shelves, and I feel like I could see all of my wardrobe, so it makes packing so much easier, and also putting things away, and also just like getting ready throughout the week. It makes my life so much easier where I could see everything. And yeah, so now let's go ahead and put that away and get rid of all this stuff. There are more PR packages that I have to go through, so that goes inside of that other room. And then that's just garbage. We're gonna take that downstairs. Switching over to laundry. So I brought in some clean clothes that I can put away, and I had just my dirty clothes all over the floor when I have a perfectly working basket right next to it. I just dump it on the ground, and I have to stop doing that because it does look messy. I also took the opportunity to clean some of the stuff that I had on top of this drawer, which is weird because I don't usually have it this messy, but like once you put one piece of trash or like clothes tag or something that doesn't belong there, it like creates this clutter that you just keep accumulating, which also I need to stop. All right, so bringing that basket in now and sorting it out so that I can go ahead and put in another load into the washer once the other one comes out. And I used to work at a dry cleaners, and I would always check every single pocket, and you'd be surprised how many things you find. And I have to be on the lookout for Ricardo's pockets because he always leaves cash in there, or like his ear pods. I don't know what they're called, but like he's always losing them, and I find them in there. So I help him out a lot, just saying. All right, so putting away some more stuff that I took with me on my trip, like some shoes that I had, and I always like to make them look nice and presentable. I feel like I take care of my things a lot better because they are on display, so I'm most likely to like take care of my shoes better and like clean them out before like storing them and stuff like that. When it comes to the winter time, there's always like salt on the ground. I'll just wipe them off before putting them away. And now I'm just grabbing some extra hangers so I can put away those clean clothes that I overpacked in my suitcase, and just like other clothes that I had in my bedroom that were still clean, but I just didn't want to wear them for whatever reason. So we're gonna go ahead and put those clothes away as well. So we are done with the upstairs for now. I'm gonna go ahead and clean downstairs, just tidy up, because Ricardo's working from home, so I just like to maintain it like nice and peaceful, because I feel like whenever we're both working, a lot of clutter or like a messy house just makes us feel like anxious for some reason. So I'm gonna go ahead and just tidy up a bit and pick up like our shoes and things that are laying around the house. And then since it was so bright outside, I could totally see our dog's fur on the couch, which they don't shed very much, but I'm like super picky when it comes to like my dogs and my house being clean, because I don't want our house to smell like dog. Like, we have gone to people's houses where like they just get used to the smell of their dogs, or their house smells like dog, and it's something that could be an easy fix, but I'm like, I refuse for my house to smell like dogs. Like, I love them to death, and I just want to make sure that everything's nice and clean. So I just took out my Dyson vacuum, and I'm making sure like there's no hair on the couches, because also like when people come over and they want to sit down, I don't want them to leave with like hair all over their pants or their sweaters, because I'm allergic to dogs, and when I go to other people's houses, if they have dogs that are not hypoallergenic, then I like start coughing, and like it's in my clothes, and I get itchy, so I know how it is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure that I vacuum everything and all of our pillows as well, and it just looks nice and clean. Alright, so once we are done with the living room, I'm going to go ahead and switch out the tools on the Dyson vacuum. And that's something that I really enjoy about this vacuum cleaner, is because you can switch out like the different tools and use them for different things. So now I'm going to go ahead and vacuum our carpet. Now this carpet or this rug is very thin and it's flat, so the Dyson doesn't have that much of a problem like vacuuming up, but I would not recommend it for thicker carpets like the ones that we have on our second floor, because it won't even budge. Like, there's too much sucking power. And so I'm gonna go ahead and also do our hardwood floors. It's really beneficial that you can switch off between those two surfaces. So I love that I can go ahead and vacuum the floors and not have to sweep, because before I felt like I just spread around the dust everywhere and I wouldn't get all the dog hair. So now that we have this, I absolutely love it. It's just so much floor to cover, but it really does break down my time in like vacuuming the floors in half, as opposed to like sweeping. It has made a huge dramatic difference, and I get things done a lot quicker. I also have to mop, but for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and just load the dishwasher first and clean up the kitchen a little bit, because when I clean out the counters, a lot of like the trash or like crumbs fall on the floor. So then I can go ahead and sweep that up or vacuum that up and then mop. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clear out our counters, load the dishwasher, and do some dishes. By the way, I was at Home Goods a couple of days ago and I found the cutest little mug, and it says she's a dreamer, a doer, with really cute eyelashes, and it's pink, my favorite color. So I had to get it. It's so adorable. They have like the cutest mugs at Home Goods. We had pizza last night. It was amazing. So I just went ahead and I tossed that in the trash and then just tidied up our coffee counter a little bit. And I love this section of my kitchen because it has like all of our mugs and stuff. There were just a few dishes inside of the sink, so I went ahead and I hand washed those. Okay, so Ricardo is working from home and his office is downstairs, and he came upstairs and he noticed that I was filming, and you know, he's super shy in front of the camera, and it just cracks me up because he like refuses for me to film him. But he didn't know that I was filming at this very moment, even though there was like a huge tripod in the living room and a huge camera. But he was like trying to talk to me from like across the house so that he wouldn't have to be in the shot. And then he noticed I was filming and I tricked him into coming into the shot, and when he saw that I was filming, he came after me. He is so goofy. Okay, so I finally got back to clean the kitchen because he headed back downstairs. He had a conference call in about like 10 minutes or so from then. So I was like, okay, you go work downstairs. You let me do my thing. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe down the counters. And I'm using the Mrs. Meyer cleaners, which smells so good in the scent basil. And then I use the Method granite countertop cleaner for our little island, which makes it really shiny. He was still upstairs in that shot. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up. These are just a bunch of PR packages or just things that come into the mail, whether it's for like my business, for my sticker shop, or makeup, which is my favorite kind of package to open. These are some new lippies from Bare Minerals, and oh my gosh, I absolutely love them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take everything upstairs so I can go through it. You guys know I always like to do like giveaways and stuff like that over on my Instagram, so make sure to follow me because I can't keep all this makeup and I love sharing the love with you guys. Alright, so now that everything is nice and tidy, I'm going to go ahead and start mopping. And I had to improvise with mopping because I've been mopping quite frequently due to the salt that comes in when we bring in our shoes, because it's snowing outside, so it leaves like white marks on our floors. And so the other attachment that I had for our mop was in the washing machine, and so I'm like, okay, what am I supposed to use? So I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna use the dust mop that we have, and it's usually most for dusting, but I was like, I'm just gonna use that. And then I used the Squirt Method floor cleaner, which honestly I think it's a waste of money. I got it from Grove Collaborative and it's supposed to be good. It's biodegradable, like it's supposed to be non-toxic, which is great, but you literally use like half the bottle in one room because it's pretty much diluted. And so I'm like, okay, like this is kind of like a waste of money. I'd rather like spend a little bit more and dilute it with my own water and make sure that it's concentrated so that I don't use half the bottle. So as you can tell, that's literally half the bottle, and that was only that front room right there. And this was the first time ever that I opened this bottle and started using it. So method, if you can make a more concentrated solution for this, that would really help. I know some people would appreciate it if they don't have this much like space to have to mop, or they don't mop as often because their floors don't get dirty with salt every day, then I guess you could use it, but nah.
So that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys made it this far, that means that you really liked it. So please give it a big thumbs up, because likes always help out my channel. They let YouTube know that people are engaged, and so it's most likely to pop up on other people's recommended pages, in return helping out my channel. And if you guys want to stick around, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. That way you guys get notified when I upload a new video, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Muchos besos. Mwah.